Good morning, everyone. Today, students, in the business studies class, we are studying the chapter the formation of company. Formation of company, you know that when a person wants to start an enterprise or they want to start a large scale company, so there are some formalities that have to be filled before starting the company. That is, there are different stages before starting the company. That is promotion, incorporation, and capital subscription. Promotion, you know that for promotion of the company form of organization is required to appoint a promoter as a person. Promoter is the person who will do all the activities of promotion of the company. So after promotion means at the time of promotion of the company, the promoter has to submit some of the documents in front of the for the promotion of the company. That is, the first document of the company's memorandum of association, and then the next document is article of association. Article of association, you know students, that it is a document containing the rules and regulations for the internal management of the company. आर्टिकल ऑफ एसोसिएशन एक डॉक्यूमेंट है जिसमें कि कंपनी के इंटरनल मैनेजमेंट से रिलेटेड all the rules and regulations are given on that article. That is, according to section 25A of the Companies Act, any company can alter the rules and regulations of the company time to time in the article of association. So article of association क्या है? It is a document which contain the rules and regulations of the internal management of the company. The rules and regulations for the internal management of the company are like how many number of shares will be issued, allotment of shares, forfeiture of shares, buyback of shares, debentures, dividends, and also the number of managers and board of directors in the company. Everything will be mentioned in the article of association. So it is a document which contains the rules and regulations for forming the company, for that is how we can conduct the working of the company, that we have to follow the rules and regulations given in this article of association. So this is a document that the promoter has to submit for promotion of the company. The next document is consent of proposed director. Yes, this is the another document that it should be submitted, that how many directors will be there in the company, and the appointment of the directors, and what are the terms and conditions they are agreed to become the directors, and also how many shares they are buying, they are having of the company, and they are ready to buy the qualification shares of the company. So the consent of the proposed directors is necessary. So this is the document also that the company form of organization has required to submit. Next is agreement. Yes, agreement, you know that when the company is having some agreements, how to perform the company, what are the objectives of the company, how the company form of organization will be going on. So this is the documents which are having the agreement of the company, that for how much period the company was started, what was the objective of the company, and what are the terms and conditions of the company. That is, this is the agreement between this is the agreement signed by all the members of the company or the shareholders of the company. So this agreement should be submitted by the promoter. And the next is statutory declaration. Statutory declaration, you know that it is the declaration by the promoter that whatever the formalities necessary for the promotion of the company, that he has fulfilled all the formalities, he has submitted all the documents of the company. That is, it is a declaration by the promoter that promoter has done all the necessary formalities for promotion of the company, and he has submitted all the required documents, necessary documents for promotion of the company. So this is a declaration by the promoter. ये प्रमोटर की तरफ से डिक्लेरेशन है कि प्रमोटर ने कंपनी के प्रमोशन की जितनी भी फॉर्मेलिटीज है, जितने भी डॉक्यूमेंट्स रिक्वायर्ड है, एवरीथिंग ही हैज डन एंड एवरीथिंग विल बी कंप्लीटेड. And the next and the last document is the payment of fees. Payment of fees means after the promotion of the company, after the necessary documents to be submitted in the register of the company, then the last is the payment of the fees. The fees will be, how much fees will be required for the promotion of the company, that after the company will get registered in the register office, and the particular amount of the fees should be submitted in the registered office, and then the payment of the fees will be done. The payment of fees will be done according to the authorized share capital of the company. कि कंपनी की कितनी ऑथराइज शेयर कैपिटल है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग जो है कंपनी की जो ये फीस है इसका डिसाइड होता है, एंड दैट फीस इज ऑल्सो सबमिटेड बाय द प्रमोटर ऑफ द कंपनी. सो These are the documents which are required for at the time of for promotion of the company, that is memorandum of association, article of association, then consent of the directors, agreement, and statutory declaration, and the last is the payment of fees. That is after promotion, after the formalities done by the promoter, that everything for the promotion of the company, the last thing is payment of fees. Now the promotion work will be done, and you all know that promoter is the main important person, that who is doing all the formalities for the starting of the company, thinking of in mind about the idea of to start the company, and right from there the existence, that is the company will come into existence only because of the promoter. So promoter is the important person. Promoter can be, if promoter is not the trustee or not the agent of the company, is not the, he is a person that is appointed to for starting for the promotion of the company. For that work he is also getting the remuneration. Sometimes the promoter can make the profit in the company, but only when it will be disclosed. Promoter cannot make any secret profit in the business. Promoter अपनी कोई छुपा हुआ प्रॉफिट नहीं लेता है, बल्कि वो डिस्क्लोज करके ले सकता है. एंड ऑल्सो कंपनी ऑफर्ड प्रमोटर टू बाय द शेयर्स ऑफ द कंपनी फॉर इन फ्यूचर. तो प्रमोटर जो है एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पर्सन है कि जो ऑल द फॉर्मेलिटीज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर प्रमोशन ऑफ द कंपनी इज डन बाय द प्रमोटर.